Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today we're coming outside to see how much wind damage we got from a storm last night and to look at our terrace project and give you a little bit more information about that.
Yeah, we're excited to show you kind of the update so far, but yeah, we got a mess to clean up. We're gonna show you guys in just a sec. Before we get to that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every garden care video. Taking a quick walk in our backyard and we've got some big branches that fell.
Yep, a lot of debris fell down last night and it's pretty much everywhere. We didn't know we were gonna be getting a windstorm and well, it knocked down quite a bit of stuff and made a lot of noise last night.
Yeah, it really did. You know, this was a huge surprise. I don't remember, we always keep track of the weather. We've had a lot of flooding around here lately, but...
Yeah, you see the chairs over there, they got knocked over and pushed around.
I mean, that must have been a big wind gust to move those. It's not like they're that light, but...
Good thing is that the fence is still up, so
yeah, the
that's
fence
nice.
is good. Yeah, we'll probably do a little cleanup today, right? Just get these branches picked up.
Yep, get the big stuff up by hand, rake the smaller stuff up, and get things tidied up a little bit. We also wanted to talk to you, and we'll do that a little bit later, about the terrace project and show you the lines we've got right now, and how that's shaping up, how that's forming. It's pretty cool. Should we get to work? So you saw us get our yard cleaned up from the windstorm last night. Now we want to talk to you about our terrace project. We've laid out these twine lines to give us a little sense of where those actually steps of the terrace are going to be. Isn't that cool?
I know, if you guys can kind of follow that. If you watched our video a couple days ago, we kind of mapped out what we're doing and the start of our plan, right? So it was really fun to get out here and actually get these lines set up and just kind of visualize how this is going to look. Well, kind of. We're still kind of planning out some of the details, right?
Yeah, totally.
So you guys, speaking of planning, Sean and I love having projects on the horizon because it just feels therapeutic. It feels good to have something to look forward to. And one thing that really helps us plan is setting goals and actually having a place to write those down, because when you write them down, you put more kind of intention to it, you know, and it helps you just plan out the process. So we came up with this printable packet. It's called the Garden Planning Idea Book, and you can grab that down below for free. And we just want to get this over to you to help you plan this year and help inspire you to maybe like set up some type of new project in your own garden. Again, it's free, it's down below, the Garden Planning Idea Book, and we can't wait to get this to you. Okay, so back to our terrace project. We were just excited to tell you about that.
Yep, we really wanted to let you know where we're at with that, because you might be planning something too, and you know, you might need a starting point, you might need ideas like looking at what we're doing or other ideas, so you know, it's pretty fun.
Yeah, we think so.
Yeah.
So we hope it's helpful for you.
Yeah.
So other than that, you guys, what's our next step in this project?
Our next step, I think, in this project is to kind of decide on our spacing, how big we want the beds to be, and then start looking at different materials to build the terrace walls out of. Are they gonna be rock? Is it gonna be pavers? Is it gonna be concrete? Like, are we pouring forms, or probably not? But it's an idea.
Even though you may have watched the other video, we want to take you on a new tour just to see kind of what this might look like.
So we're just gonna walk down this way. This is fun, isn't it? Yep, you guys are coming with us. Here we go. Now you can see the two lines here. We've got this line right here, and then we've got this line over here as the second level. And Allison's right over here.
Yeah, you know, if you watched again the other video, we were kind of concerned about this golden chain and a lot of the other trees in the path here, and what we're going to do with all the roots. So we decided to take the new terrace and kind of go up and around with whatever kind of paver or whatever we end up using, just kind of make a little curve around the tree. And we're hoping that way, I don't know, either way we're gonna run into roots, so.
Yep. We figure what we'll do is we'll go around the back side of the tree, and then that way we won't run into so many roots on this side. We won't expose that much of the roots on this side, and that won't hurt the tree in any way to make it easier for any windstorms, like the one last night, to knock it over. We don't want to destabilize the tree and its anchor point into the ground. So we're going to go behind it to lessen that impact.
That makes the most sense to us.
Yep.
So I think it'll look cute. It'll give it a little shape, you know, give it a little character along the path.
Definitely. It's going to be awesome. So here we go, up and away. Walking through. Now you might have seen us walk through this a couple of episodes ago. a couple days ago, and we just walked this whole thing talking about it, but now we've got these lines down and it totally gives it a whole new look.
It's exciting. This really moves us ahead in our planning and our project. So what do you guys, maybe you guys have a way of kind of setting up projects this way yourself?
Yeah, if you guys have a way to set up your own projects, like you're running lines like we are or something else, let us know down below. What's your process? How do you move through your planning and just moving forward in your projects?
Yeah. Kind of continues all the way. I mean, this, you guys imagine that this will be 2 different levels. So up here will be 1 level, and then we'll have a level here. At least that's kind of how we see it at this point. And this gives us a whole bunch of growing space all in here.
Yep.
So now that we have these lines down, it kind of helps us define, you know, what we want, and we can move them and kind of change them as we need to. But this is pretty much what we have so far.
So guys, that's us today out in our garden. Windstorm cleanup and then further planning on our terrace project. We hope you're planning new projects in your garden, and if you are, leave us comments down below. We love hearing from you guys. We want to hear what you're planning too. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And you guys, don't forget to grab that free garden planning idea book down below. That is based on just our years, many years of projects, garden education, and all kinds of design trends that are coming up for the year ahead. So it's kind of just a big mix of inspiration, hopefully.
Yep,
so,
hopefully it helps you out.
Yeah. And we'll be back tomorrow with our next garden project, so come on by to see what we're up to.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.